All right, we're starting off with 2 bags of our baby Dutch potatoes in our crock pot. Next, I'm coming in with my beef smoked sausage, and I already diced up all of that sausage. I'm gonna bring in a second one because I want this to be extra meaty. This is a super easy and delicious 1-pot meal in your crock pot. I have here a diced yellow onion, and we're gonna put that whole onion into our crock pot with those potatoes and those sausage. This is so easy, so delicious. Your kids will love it. Your grandparents will love it. Everyone loves this dinner. Now I have one of those large cans of the diced tomatoes, and we're gonna put that right in there with the juices. Those juices just make everything more flavorful and tasty. Make sure to get all of that out. Those tomatoes smell really delicious. Next thing we're gonna add is a little bit of sea salt. Now, if you're worried about your sodium, you can skip adding the extra salt. But for me, I need to have salt with my potatoes, so I am adding a nice little sprinkle of our salt. Now, this wouldn't be a Justine Cameron meal without some garlic, and I'm using the minced garlic. You could use garlic powder, garlic salt, fresh garlic, whatever you like. But I'm just gonna add a couple tablespoons of garlic because that's really what's gonna bring that flavor. So good. Now the last seasoning I'm gonna add is some Italian seasoning, and I love using the Italian seasoning because it has everything you need all in one, and it tastes delicious. I love this perfect pinch one specifically. And we're just gonna give this a nice generous seasoning. It's a lot of potatoes, a lot of pieces of sausage, so we gotta make sure we season it accordingly. Now, last thing we're gonna add to our crock pot before we give it a mix is 1 can of chicken broth. Now, you can do beef broth with the beef sausages, but I personally like chicken broth with this, so that's why I went for it. And we just need the 1 can just to add some good moisture to our meal. Ooh, all right, it is time to give this a mix. We're gonna use our spatula and just make sure everything gets coated in the seasoning, in the garlic, in the salt. All right, that looks beautifully mixed. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our lid on and get this cooking. I'm putting mine on high. All right, it's been 4 hours on high. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off, and let's check this out. Oh.
Wow.
Look at that. Looks so good. The potatoes, the sausage, tomatoes, onions, everything you want. And this is great for meal prep. You can store it in the fridge for 5 to 7 days. But first we gotta give this a try. I'm gonna give it a little mix. Oh my goodness. Doesn't it look so good?
Yeah, it looks perfectly cooked too. Nice.
All right, and I got my little bowl plate. We're gonna get a nice serve in, get a couple more potatoes, and that is ready to dig in. Let's check on those potatoes. Ooh, perfectly cooked. I love when you can just use your fork to tear them up. Look, you guys,
Just falling
beautiful. Wow, that is so good. The sausage and potatoes with tomatoes and onions, they just go perfectly together. You guys are really gonna like this one. Try it out.